reached Jispa safely, and I'm gonna show you a view from this hotel. We are going to a waterfall named Sisu Waterfall in a town called Sisu in Lahore, and you have to cross through a hanging bridge, which is very pretty, and it's a 1 kilometer trek, small trek, and look at that. That looks nice.
One of the most beautiful waterfall in the region.
Okay.
One of the biggest also.
So this is Lahore, right?
Yeah, this is Lahore.
Okay. And you were talking about two different mountain ranges here.
One on the left is Pir Panjal.
Okay.
Okay. One on the right is Great Himalayan Range. So we're just walking in between, alongside River Chandra.
River Chandra. Okay.
Yeah. Which goes to Punjab, and it's known as Chenab there. One of the 5 rivers of Punjab.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Behind me is the down part of the waterfall, which we are gonna trek. Probably a 500 or 300 meter trek. Not sure. There's no guide here. So yeah, if you see behind me, looks pretty awesome. So my friends have given up. They are unable to cross that narrow bridge, which is frankly easy, but they're just scared that their equipment will go down the drain. Looks like it rained today morning, so it's quite slippery, and I have to do it all by myself. Come on, I can do it. It's drizzling, and you can see the waterfall behind me. I think I'm halfway up. I hope it doesn't rain. Oh, it looks like it's gonna rain. The trick to climb a trek as steep as this is to stay low, have your center of gravity right below your body, and yeah, balance yourself. Let's go. That is where we parked our vehicle. That's a kilometer away. Maneuvered from the toughest part of the trek, but let me show you the fantastic view. This is what you achieve from hard work. Look at that! Woo! Oh. Whoa! Okay, I need to be careful. That was not careful. Damn it! So my friends are coming from a longer and easier route. They'll take some time to reach while I sit here in this beautiful place all by myself. Well, let's introduce the legendary, the gluten-free traveler, the weekend traveler, who is a marathoner, a cyclist, of
not a marathoner, mine. It's ultra runner.
he's an ultra runner and he did not manage to freaking cross a small bridge. Okay, the second guy to reach me is the Punjabi wanderer. Bhai Saab, this guy has been to Greenland and lived in extreme of the extreme conditions but couldn't cross that small bridge. I'm a broad boy! Come on, buddy! Come on, Punjabi! कोई बात नहीं, I'm happy you come. You have fine. Perfect. I've reached the last spot of the Sisu waterfall and it's very slippery in front of me. I'm hardly 20 feet away from the waterfalls. I think that's about it because it's risky going closer as there are so many holes in between, and I think there might be snakes as well because I've seen few crabs on these holes. I don't know how they've come this far atop, but yeah, I made it! Woohoo!